Eva Biliki, and we are from the Harlingen Public Library, and I am here with
Margaret.
So this is our DIY
Yes.
chocolate treats class for December in celebration of our
Winter event.
Winter event that we are doing here at the library. All of our classes are going virtual, and this is one of the classes celebrating
Holiday cheer.
holiday cheer.
Yes.
I
Yes.
like that. All right, so Margaret, show me what we're going to be learning today.
So today we're going to be doing the white chocolate pretzels, peanuts, and some cookies.
Ooh, can I show those real
Sure.
quick?
Just don't eat them.
Just don't eat them. So this is what we're gonna be making. Well, I'm gonna be here with Margaret, and I'm gonna try to help her to make this perfect for the holidays.
So that's the chocolate covered pretzels with sprinkles. This is your chocolate covered peanuts with sprinkles.
Ooh.
And also chocolate with just glazed white chocolate.
White chocolate.
Mhm.
Yes. That's amazing.
This one is supposed to be a snowman hat with a little bit of sprinkles. Today's DIY craft, we're going to be needing some peanuts. I like the dry roasted salted peanuts, some sprinkles. They're already covered in chocolate cookies. These are the cookies that we use. Some pretzels.
And you can find all these ingredients at any grocery store. So, you can just go shopping with your family. We have some
Marshmallows, yes.
Say we have marshmallows.
And to use these ingredient, this is the white chocolate flavored barking. It's coated, and they're barks, and they come in like this.
Oh, I've never seen those before. Very
Just
nice.
put them in the microwave at 1:30 seconds, and they'll start to melt. This is the white chocolate also that I use.
Okay, Margaret, so you mentioned we'll put those tablets, since I'm new to this class and never done this before with my family. So how many tablets did you put in there?
On this one I put 6.
6 tablets?
And 6.
Okay.
If you want to make a lot for your friends, family, for gifts, you want to put the whole thing.
And for how much time would
For
I?
1:30 seconds. If it's
Okay.
still not melted, you can still feel the bark still, there's some hard one. Just put another 30 seconds, but be watching it because it might burn, especially the white one. It will burn on you. So once it's done, it's going to come out very
Just
creamy.
like that. Oh, that looks
Also the
delicious.
chocolate too. So it should stay melted 30 minutes. If not, just stick it back into the microwave and it'll start melting. So let's do the first pretzel. So I just leave it there and just drape it.
Okay.
Let it drip. Very simple. And just start removing some of the excess of the chocolate.
Okay.
So
Are we using any special paper to?
I like to use parchment paper. You can use foil, but
Foil.
I like parchment paper better.
Okay, which
So
is
once
this
it's-
right here that she's using.
Right.
Very
So
nice.
once it's done, just lay it on your paper. If you want to leave it just blank like that or with sprinkles, just put some in your hand and just drape it in
I
there.
drip it in there. Okay. Put some on my hand.
And you do the white chocolate.
Ooh.
You can get your kids to come and help you. These are awesome gifts for the teachers, for your coworkers, for your boss, anybody
Yes.
really. Very simple. Here's the white chocolate pretzel, and also you can put that there and just put the sprinkles on it, and it looks so festive. There's another way you can also put, I like to glaze, just put some white chocolate onto my pretzels or your peanuts too. Have a little bag, put some white chocolate in there, snip it in the very bottom. This is just a
extra
freezer bag that I got, and then just drizzle it, pinch it. I don't know if you can see this, unless it's already
Is it open?
Yeah.
Oh, it is open. Okay.
And just drizzle it.
Oh, nice.
And just do little zigzags if you're afraid to use it. Just do little zigzags. You want to try this, Eva? On the white one if you want, just to make it look pretty.
Of course I will. And we can probably even use the dark chocolate, right?
Yes.
The white
Oh
if
yeah,
want
you can.
to.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll do this one. Oh my, this is so much fun.
Yep.
If you love decorations, yes, you can go all out with this kind of stuff. This is nice, perfect.
So once it starts to dry, you're like, well, when does it dry? If you have a cold house like I do, mine come out pretty fast.
Super fast.
If not, get a fan and it'll start drying pretty fast. Now, how you can tell if it's still shimmery, it's not dry yet. Once you start seeing it a little bit dull, they're ready to pop up and just eat them away.
Eat them.
So this one we're gonna do the peanuts. I'm just gonna get a little bit, and you're just gonna pour some into your little pot.
Into your container
Yes,
there. That's
and
awesome.
then just stir it.
Okay.
If you want more chocolate, do so.
That's how you make them.
Yep, that's it. Super simple. And everybody loves these because it has the salt and the sweet to it. So my chocolate is starting to get a little bit hard. I can tell because it's starting to get, it won't fall, see?
Mm-hmm.
So here you just put it in your parchment paper, drop it,
Okay.
and just lay it down. Okay.
Oh, and then now we can use our
Yeah, you can.
decoration
Mhm.
again.
And you can also use the white one too, to put peanuts and white chocolate.
Oh, I
Is
see
it-
what happened. It dries.
Okay, yeah.
Right?
So if you want to put it in the microwave, just the bag for 10 seconds,
Oh,
15
okay.
seconds, it should undo it. So this is the white chocolate with peanuts. And just get a teaspoon of it and then just put it on your parchment paper. And like I said, it'll dry within 10 minutes or less if you want to put a fan on it. Okay, the next one we're going to be doing is a cute little the Snowman Hat.
The Snowman Hat. Okay.
I just found the little round cookies. They're already in dark chocolate.
Yes.
We get these little marshmallows, dip them in your dark chocolate because it's going to be like a top hat
Mm.
because that's what the snowmen wear.
Okay.
Okay. And there's some little bit of chocolate coming on there. That's going to be my glue
Mm.
to paste the cookie on there. So it might be a little messy, but it's okay.
That's all right.
So this is what it's supposed to look like. You can put little sprinkles on there too.
Okay. So.
And it'll
this
melt
is
too
what
and
you
give those
do.
away too as a gift. So,
Very
did you
cool.
want to try anything, Eva? To put some more peanuts in the chocolate and we can finish those?
Yeah, we can. We can make some more pretzels.
We gotta give these out for Christmas presents already, so
Yes.
why not? We have all this too.
That's
to
extra,
do.
right?
It's super simple. Hope y'all like the video that we're doing. Give us a comment, like, or share.
Like or share. I'm gonna decorate a little bit of this hat
Okay.
right here. I'm gonna go a little bit more
Yeah,
out
go
and
ahead.
about.
Or you can
Uh,
even drizzle it with that chocolate if you want. Now, once y'all have all the decorations ready, you can give them out. And I have the cutest little plate. You can set this up for Santa's cookies. Instead of Santa's cookies, you can put the candies and just wrap it up with tissue paper or an elegant little box. You can put them in there. Just give them away. And I also found these little cute little bags or freezer bags with snowflakes on them too. You can put your candies in there too and give them away to your coworkers. Super cute and fun to do.
Here's one of my
Creations.
creations.
So,
So I noticed this pretzel came out so cute. Look at that.
Very cute.
And it's ready. Like
Yep.
you said, everything got hard up to a point where now it's ready to eat.
And they're delicious too.
And they're delicious.
Okay.
And this is the end result of our class. All right, so this is it for our class.
Yes.
We're happy that you joined us today, and we can't wait to make another class with you together here. We hope you have a
Great holiday.
great holiday and enjoy with your family. And hopefully we can encourage you to make these ones as presents for your friends or your family. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.
Happy
Bye-bye.
holidays.